Today we have the South superstar, gorgeous, beautiful, and none other than the most sensuous Kajal Agarwal with us. Kajal, welcome to Film Mantra.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Okay, tell us about your app.
Well, I've just launched my app and I'm really excited about it. This is one platform where I have all my social media integrated, and it's really exciting for me because this is very interactive, and I feel that I can react and I can talk or communicate with my audience directly.
Okay, so how often you're active on this app?
I'm going to try to be as active as possible. Well, a lot more active than I am on my social media.
Okay, so how, as you said, like social media, how active are you? Like Facebook?
I actually am pretty active, but this gives me a lot more interaction and a lot more possibilities of. This is convenience based because it's at the click of a button, and it's going to travel with me, of course, everywhere because it's going to be on my phone. So it's far easier and approachable and more fun. There are very interesting things like Superfan, like facilities that we have on the app where people can get to meet me and I can actually have contests and things for them. Basically, just to try and give back and like show that I love them too.
Okay, so what kind of contest will be there?
Fan-based contests where they can possibly be guessing something about some film of mine or some trivia about me or things like that.
Okay, so
Nothing difficult.
that's nice. Okay, so Twitter, pe, as you know, like people trolls and this thing. So how like you will deal with this?
Thankfully, this is going to be monitored. So I have collaborated with a very secure group, a very secure company called EscapeX, and they will obviously be monitoring all this for me. And security is our prime concern, and it's going to be our prime lookout. And hopefully, we will not be dealing with any of these situations.
That's nice. Okay, so in reality, which app you use more, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter?
I use WhatsApp, yes, a lot. I use Viber when I'm traveling. But now WhatsApp calling is there, so Viber's gone down the drain. And I use Shazam. I use food-based apps a lot. And what other app do I use? Say Uber. Oh my God, yes, Uber has sorted our lives out. And what else? Say I can't think of any more apps. Music-based apps, SoundCloud.
Okay, so like this app, how excited you are?
Very excited, yeah. It's my own app. Like I was saying earlier, that so if there's Google, this is like my private Google. It's like I have everything of mine on this one platform. Why will I not be excited about it?
Obviously.
I'm more than happy to share it with the world.
That's nice. Coming back to your movies, like what is in pipeline?
Currently doing 3 films, one Telugu with Rana and 2 Tamil films, one with Ajit, one with Vijay. And I'm really happy about the way things are going.
Okay, so when we can see you in Bollywood?
Very soon, I'm going to start filming something in September or October, but I cannot really talk about it before you ask me in your next question because I'm going to wait for the production to announce.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. All the best for your.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Kajal Agarwal. You're watching me on Filmy Mantra.